Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use Sentiment Trader's backtest engine to recreate the backtest our senior analyst Dean Christians used in his recent article titled "The Risk On-Off Indicator Shifts to a Bullish Status." Mirroring Dean's rules, when our proprietary risk on-off indicators rank cycles from below 5% to above 68.5%, the backtest engine will initiate a long position in the S&P 500. Additionally, the backtest engine is set to exit trades when the market time reaches 30 bars. Now, we move on to setting up the backtest. Let's get started by selecting SPY as our symbol. You have the option to either customize the name of your backtest or keep the default option provided. Next, we'll set the time in the market to 30 bars. Under Entry Criteria, change Single Condition in the upper right corner to Time Order Multi-Condition. Go to Condition 1 to enter your first entry condition. Click on the Type drop-down menu and choose Sentiment Indicator. Then, move to the Indicator drop-down menu, search for, and select the Risk On-Off Indicator. We're going to set this condition to cross below 5% over an 84-bar period. For Condition 2 parameters, we will select the Risk On-Off Indicator and apply an 84-day range rank. However, this time, we will input a cross above 68.5% for the second entry threshold. Once that's all set, hit the Run Backtest button to start the analysis. After it completes, you'll automatically be taken to the Results tab, showcasing the outcomes. In the Summary tab, you'll find an overview of the backtest results. The Trades tab will give you detailed information on each trade. And if you're interested in seeing trade outcomes for various exit times, check out the Exit with Default Time in Market tab. You can also visualize and interpret all this data with the help of various charts. In the Analysts Backtest tab of your Backtest Edge platform, you can discover this and many other backtests utilized by our analysts. You have the option to simply copy the backtest of your choice to create a duplicate. In this section, you can copy the backtest of your choice and save it to a favorites folder, allowing you to monitor or adjust the signal parameters as you see fit. The analyst's article corresponding to each backtest is listed in this section too for easy reference. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or feedback, please reach out to us at admin@sentimenttrader.com.